I am a traveler and I'm not going to let this disease to stop me from traveling and enjoying the world. In this episode, I'm going to share with you that I'm scared. I'm far away from home, but I'm in Bali and I wanted to come here for a long time. So let's see my journey. This is a type 1 diabetic story. Never forget, we have just one life. A few days ago, life was good. I was hitting the gym in the south of France and I was enjoying good food, croissants, baby, with chocolate. I was not stressed about carbs because I felt safe. In Europe, good hospitals are always nearby. So I was like in peace, But it was maybe too much routine for me. My friends, I love traveling. Here, for example, I was in Argentina, and if you've watched my stories so far, you know 1 month after diagnosis, I flew to Argentina. It was cold, it was hot, but I made it. I learned to live with diabetes there. So yeah, nothing is impossible, my friend. The world is so beautiful, right? Even with my condition, type 1 diabetes, life is not impossible, right?
Je fais des vidéos YouTube.
Ah, ok.
Oui,
Super contente d'avoir rencontré notre ami Georges. Très gentil, très sociable. Voilà, super voyage. Voilà.
C'était un plaisir de voyager avec toi.
Let's actually go back to the reality. A few hours ago, I was eating crazy food. I was having a lot of hypoglycemia because it was so hot. I was in India for 12 hours. That's crazy. That's crazy. A few hours ago. And boom, it was so quick, and then I'm in a flight to Indonesia. This is funny. During the flight, I watched an Indian movie. Man, it was so cliche and so Indian, I just loved it. But the message at the end, so powerful. Tadadim dadadam, voila, a little bit tired, but we arrived in Bali. It's actually a pretty modern airport, so it was pretty straightforward, and I also bought a SIM card.
I'm surprised. Everything is so clean here, like so perfect. And I was thinking that maybe I don't have sunscreen and stuff, but probably it's even cheaper here.
2 months in Bali with diabetes. Am I ready or I'm not ready? I have to be honest with you. I was scared. The fact of going so far away from home and from good healthcare to somewhere where I've never been, and I don't know if I'm going to properly survive, if I'm going to properly manage my diabetes, it's a little bit scary. As you can see, we are experiencing some hippo because probably we just changed again the climate. From the airport, I took a Grab. It's like an Uber. You have to install the app. It's pretty decent, and I really suggest that you use scooters. But as I had luggage and I was tired, it was an exception. Let's say that I was not so shocked about the traffic after coming from India, but brother, it was like 2 hours journey for a few kilometers to go to Canggu, where I will call my home. Guys, this is going to be my home, and it's a co-working hostel because I'm like a digital nomad, Very important, checking the insulin. Almost 19 degrees after like 2 days. That's okay. This is some leftover food from India. I brought it to Indonesia.
Let's take a walk.
Let's take a walk because I had to wait for the check-in, but at least I ate Indian food.
The first impression is like we have luxury, then bomb you go down. Luxury, bomb you go down. I am so tired, but I need to wait until 2. I have like 40 minutes, so I'll just go and see the beach. And I also saw a gym like a very nice gym apparently. So I think I'll enjoy this. Ah, anyway, the weather is good. The fuck? There is this cable here. How am I? And there she is. The little sea. Hello. Right, it's actually perfect for surfing. So I think there is a course here or something. Or just some friends, I'm not sure it's a course here. Take the wave, girl. Oh yeah. Ah, no. Let's start.
This is lovely, right? So what you see here is going to be my daily life, surfing and working. I hope you will watch my next videos to see my next adventures. I have seen a lot of these flowers and I was wondering what are those, but later I will find out.
I was checking now where to buy, like a surfboard. And I think I have found the place. Man, I'll just relax and enjoy at least for 1 week. And then we'll see what's the plan. Let's see the prices though. I'm curious. Everybody's saying that it's cheap, it's cheap. I'm very, very curious how the prices are. Ah, I really need to sleep. I think in the last 2 nights with India and Bali, I slept like 5, 6 hours together.
We are strong even as a diabetic, huh?
Okay, so I thought here, but apparently there are no surfboards to rent. But let's ask though. There is one here. Okay, so I asked the guy from here, and no, on this beach, no, you cannot rent. But he has a friend on the other side where I'm coming from, and I didn't see anything there. So I'm a bit confused. Their English is not that great. Even the driver, like the taxi driver, oh my god, his English was like, whew. It was also tired, very hard to understand him, right? To have a proper conversation. Fucking diabetes. Like, I ate some rice and probably I put again too much insulin too early. Okay, I have found this one.
Well, guys, so I have met an Australian and we had a nice talk about life in Bali and I learned a lot of stuff.
And I know where to buy the surfboard, and it's only like €3, man. That's crazy. That's awesome, actually, right? Okay, I'll go to sleep. I'm too tired. See you next time. Oh, and I met a guy, another guy. He kept asking for money, and I met him like 3 times or 4 times. And now I gave him like, I don't even understand the money here yet. So probably I gave him like nothing, but I gave him something. I don't know. That's weird. I'm too tired. I need to go to sleep. I keep talking. I forgot to tell you that I arrived here in Bali, and at 4:30 p.m. my day of work starts because it's Monday. Oh gosh, and I saw some guys running. Man, I think I will really enjoy it.
Officially, the day of work started. I actually really work, huh? And I was actually very productive, but now I'm sleepy and I'll have a nice sleep. Good night. This is great, people. So far, diabetes was not an issue. In the next video, you are going to see my hostel bed.